Welcome back to Midland Public Library's Junior Engineers, the program where kids like you get to tackle epic, open-ended engineering design challenges. My name's Jen, and I'm the Maker Place Coordinator here at MPL. Every week, you'll complete 4 challenges on Beanstack. Number 1, you'll watch the weekly video. Number 2, you'll complete the Engineering Design Challenge. Number 3, you'll share a photo of your creation on Padlet. And number 4, you'll answer a reflection question. All right, moving on to the fun stuff. This week's Engineering Design Challenge is to build a catapult, slingshot, or pom-pom launcher. By completing this challenge, you will earn the Crazy Catapult Challenge Badge. In your Take and Make kit, you got everything that you need to complete this challenge, including your challenge instruction booklet, 1 cup, a balloon, some tape, 1 plastic spoon, a handful of craft sticks, some elastics, and a couple of pom-poms. You're also going to need scissors and a writing tool. When completing the Engineering Design Challenge this week, make sure to use the Engineering Design Process, a set of steps that really help you to think through your work. There are 5 steps in total. Ask, imagine, plan, create, improve. Step number 1, ask and define. What is the challenge asking you to do this week? What's the problem you're trying to solve? Step number 2, imagine and brainstorm. Come up with all the ideas you can to tackle this week's challenge. Throw out as many ideas as you can and don't be afraid to be creative. Step number 3, plan and gather materials. During this stage, you'll create a plan to tackle the challenge. This could be a picture with labels. You'll also decide what materials you're going to use and how you'll use them. Step number 4, create and test. Go ahead and build your creation. Actually make it. And then take a look at the checklist in your booklet and test your creation. Did it work? Step number 5, reflect and improve. What went wrong and what went right? How would you improve your creation for next time? Once you have an answer, go ahead and submit it on Beanstack. Okay, now that you've completed all 5 steps of the engineering design process, make sure to tidy up. It's time for this week's quick tip. Well, let's take a look at my elastic. Right now, this elastic is pretty floppy. It's not going anywhere. If I drop it, it just falls. Gravity takes over. However, when I stretch my elastic, it becomes full of stored potential energy. And when I release my elastic, it uses that energy to fling forward. That's how catapults and slingshots and pom-pom launchers work. So, when you're building your device this week, I want you to think about where you'll get that energy from. Will your device launch the pom-pom by bending a spoon and letting it fling forward? Will it use a stretched out balloon to pop that pom-pom forward? Or will it use an elastic just like a slingshot does? How you launch your pom-pom is completely up to you. All right, junior engineers. Above all, I want you to remember to build it your way, no one else's. Thank you for watching this week's Junior Engineers video. Good luck with the weekly design challenge. I can't wait to see what incredible creations you come up with. Bye, junior engineers. See you next time.